Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Thursday, and I'm trying to get the two cabinets that I was talking about yesterday put together. I've got 3 of the drawers, just basic assembly. I'll show you here. So this is what it's going to look like. Of course, these are be pulled out to the front, to here, and then they'll have drawer fronts on the front of that. So they won't go all the way to the back, but that's just to allow for some, room for error, or, if I don't want to cut it exact in case anything is not perfect and it won't close all the way. So leaving a gap in the back will give me that room that I need for the drawer slides to go all the way back, and the drawer fronts to hit here to stop and give me a clean look. So anyway, I've got a couple of little things that I overcut. As you can see, there's this piece here that is a little bit long, so I don't know if that'll interfere. I might have to go back and just clean that up, but with the drawer slides it should be okay, so I may just leave it. It's not really that big a deal. So another thing is these pocket holes. So as you can see, I've got pocket holes here on the inside, which when you drill into that like this, your screws go in this way, and so you're liable to come out the side here, or the edge. To remedy that, all you'd have to do is just flip this piece around, and I should have done that, and I'll probably do that over here, because the one thing I don't want to do is see these things. And so with this drawer pulled out, I'm going to see those pocket holes, but on the front I'm going to have a drawer front on that, so that'll be covered up. But I did one and I thought, I should really turn them around. But I'm going to keep doing it this way on this particular cabinet, and then on this one I'm going to flip these things around and just kind of show the difference. So just kind of, I guess for you guys to see, and for myself to kind of experience both. But it's not a real big deal, but you want to be able to have a really good strong joint on these things, because we're going to be pulling against that drawer front. And you don't want a weak joint here, because that's liable to, over time, if this has a lot of weight, that could potentially tear out, which is unlikely with the amount of screws I've got in this. But, just for added safety and extra strength, on the other side, I'm going to turn these around. That way, that'll be on the back side. You won't see it. And then, like I said, this will be covered up with a drawer front. So, anyway, I'm really excited. I'm going to get these built probably starting next week on Monday. And then I'm debating whether or not the plans call for one of these and then an upper cabinet. And so this would have a single top. But since I have 2 here, I'm debating whether or not to just put a single top all the way across, which is what I'll probably end up doing, but the plans won't show that. And also I'll have, when 2 together, I'll be able to screw this piece of this cabinet, and this other cabinet will have one too, so I can screw these 2 together and provide a really good snug fit. And then also that would allow me to level up. If my floor is uneven, I'll be able to do that. I'll be able to wedge it and then screw these 2 together, and so it'll be really strong in case the wedge works out. So anyway, making progress. I'll talk to you guys. Actually, I'll probably throw a video up tomorrow sometime showing around Workbench Con, that kind of thing. Like I said, if you're going, leave me a comment. Yeah, so see you guys tomorrow, or maybe Saturday. Who knows? Later.